So getting a look, straight body, pretty good condition. That's a little weird. They got the trunk open. Inside the trunk is another car cover. Some locks, fill plate, that looks good. There is a spare in here. And can't get underneath here to look, but that's not too terribly important to me right now. It does have one. Oh! It's okay.
Yeah, you were back there.
I was just filming.
No, all right. All I had, we got some old disposable cups. I put some water in it.
Okay, great.
Sorry.
Thank you.
So,
All right.
you know what this stuff is?
Looks like a cover to me.
Car cover?
Yeah, this is just generic
This
stuff.
seems like a sheet. Like the other car cover?
Maybe a cheap one. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. That can stay with the car.
There is a spare in here,
Yeah.
so we don't need to worry about where that has gone.
So I'm going to take this jacket out.
This driving jacket.
Driving jacket.
I mean, I definitely don't need this or that, or I don't think those are part of the car or that, or and even this I don't. These two things I don't care about.
It's up to you. What's this wire go to?
Which one? I don't know.
It runs up and goes into the
Yeah, it looks like he rigs something up.
oh yeah, what is that?
Motion sensor? Gosh, I got no idea. Oh, it's a light.
Well, it's not plugged into anything, so it's probably not going to light up.
Well, there's no.
No, so I'm not a
Not-
car.
not-
I'm
not
a
much of a
car guy.
battery,
I'm not a car, I'm
to
not a
do
car
anything.
guys, but
You have learned about batteries, I noticed. So. Okay, no, that's good. I was just going to take a look and see if it was rusted through or not, but it doesn't look like it's been leaking at all.
So do you want me to trash this stuff? 'Cause that's what we're going to do.
Keep it. If you don't want it, I'll keep it. I'm just saying, if you,
Okay.
I don't want it. If you want to take it, yeah, this is good shape. It's not leaking. Excellent. Pretty good shape, really. I mean, the front end's a mess, but
Yeah.
this is good.
Yeah.
And you found the keys. Hopefully, you didn't, or did something that.
So,
In other words, you took them off the ring and put them somewhere, or I don't know.
no, I haven't done that yet.
Okay.
I was going to put some of the parts in the trunk, so look at the keys again.
Oh yeah, that's what we were up to. I remember now.
I put the couple more there. There's, if you want more, there's.
Okay.